Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase tickets online for the Gardaland amusement park. If you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long wait times, you can purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see right here down in the description of this video. Once you go ahead and open up that link, it's going to take you to this main ticket play page right here, from where we can get started with checking the availability for the dates. So click check availability option is going to show you all the available days that you can purchase the tickets for. So let's say we want to buy tickets for the 14th right here. I'm going to select the date which suits me the most, and then I'm going to select what kind of tickets I need. Let's say one adult ticket. If you want to go ahead and get multiple tickets, you can add them here right here as well, but click next to go to the experience page, from where we can get started taking a look at similar experiences that we can use. If you're not interested, you can just click no thanks and go to the personal details page, where we can get started providing all our personal info. So make sure to fill out everything correctly, such as your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and so on. And this is going to enable you to go to the payment page. So once you click next, you're going to go ahead and be greeted by this menu right here, from where we can go and take a look at all the payment methods that are available for us to go ahead and purchase the tickets with. So you're going to have Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal, so you can choose whichever one suits you the most. Let's say debit and credit card, and then you're going to fill out your info. So once you fill out your info, you can click the pay button and make the purchase. So once you made the purchase successfully, your tickets are going to arrive on your email address that you have used for registering your account on this platform. So there you have it. Go ahead and open up the description of this video, go to the link, and get started getting your tickets today. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.